Good afternoon, class. My name is Mr. McDonald. Today I will teach you about quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is always on the second degree. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. Here is how you will solve quadratic equation. Mr. Iwi, come here. Why are you late?
It's traffic.
Traffic na naman, traffic.
Nice,
Una,
Jason.
traffic.
Ay, Jason.
Next time, book up early. Solving quadratic equation in the common monomial form. 2x squared minus 18 equals to 0. You will get the common factor of 2 and 18. It is 2. 2 tapos x squared minus 9 is equals to 0. 2. And factor x squared minus 9, x plus 3, x minus 3 equals to 0. And you will equate it by 0.
Sir, may nagsi-cellphone!
Sino na naman yan? Sorry, Sir Garrido. Alin, X ka ng X.
Oh, sorry sir.
Lagi sa tamang lugar yan.
Yes sir.
Hindi lagi nakikita.
Hindi lagi na ipagbiroan. Ano yan, James? James.
Oh, sino ba, sir?
Justin. And you will equate it to 0. 2 equals to 0. Wala, cancel. X plus 3 equals to 0.
Transpose. Negative
X
3.
is equal to negative
Sir, may
3.
question ako.
Question, James.
Tungkol sa ratio ba yan?
Ratio.
Hindi. Sorry.
Ito ratio, quadratic
Ilang
equation.
digit? Ilang digit yan?
Ilan, ano to? Quadratic equation of many
Unit.
digits. Ito na. X minus 3 equals to 0.
X
Transform 3, negative positive, x is equals to 3. Solution set, negative 3, saka 3. This is the other form factoring method.
Basta keli-keli nyo.
Kali-kali ko na naman nakita. Lagi sa tamang lugar yan.
Sorry, sir.
Factoring method. X squared
Sir, method po. Method.
Method.
What method, sir?
Boobs. Squared plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Factor 3x and 2x plus 2x plus 1. Equate it to 0, transpose negative 2.
Negative 2.
X plus 1 is equals to 0, transpose negative 1. The solution set, negative 2, negative 1. Dalawang digit.
Dalawang digit.
So, sir, we have two answers.
Two answers, two houses, always second degree, two solution. Solution set. Mr. Justin, solve this.
Oh, Justin.
Justin.
Solve it, Justin. Come on,
Solve this,
Justin.
Justin. Bakit di mo alam, di ka ba nakikinig? Ha? Justin?
Yan ka na naman, Justin.
Yan ka na naman, Justin.
Sabi mo sa tama
Puro
yan.
ka kalokohan, Justin. Ha?
Hindi talaga ganun.
Justin. Kaya mo yan, Justin.
Kaya mo yan, Justin. Pagbirokan, Justin, ang galing-galing mo.
Justin, pag ikaw
Lalo.
umupo ka na doon.
Sir!
Ikaw, Mr. Maximo. Solve mo sa board.
Sir, di ko rin kaya. Sir, no, okay. Mamagin. Sir, kaya ko yun.
Ito, may palako. Solve it on the board.
Wala ko kayo.
Sir!
Ang layo ng pwesto mo.
Sir!
Sir, wala tayo.
Sir!
Oh,
Wala po ba checking yan?
wala pong checking to.
Sir, may chicken yan, may chicken. Sir, may chicken.
Okay, ang dami ng tanong.
May chicken yan.
Wala chicken. Isun mo na.
Kuya, ang ingay!
Oh, itong mga to. Uy! Nanonood kayong Bulls, uy! Bawal manood ng Bulls sa klase ko. Bawal nanonood ng Bulls sa klase ko, ha? Yan ang ginawa ni Mr. Kumuda. Oh, Kumuda. Yan ni Kumuda. Anong question mo, Jerry? Bakulit. Ito ang bakulit. Bakulit. Ito. Let's. Bakulit. Ang bako. Bakolod yan. Bakolod. Etong lids. Hindi na pwede. Magagalit na. Ha? Okay. Last. Method. Factoring method. Oh, James, you have an example.
Bakulit. Ang layo, sir!
Eh, ganun yun eh. Oh, that's the end of our class. Thank you.
McDonald's and Happy Meal!
Yes, it's my